Hello guys, this is Collin, the leader of Super Mario Logan 2 created by freaking me, and I made an announcement to make. In May 2020, we're moving to another channel, but we're not moving to another channel in 2019, only 2020. So, here's a video of it. Aw, yeah! It's a freaking morning. Okay, Leland, it's time for school. Oh no, not school. What? Why am I in different class? Alright class, today. Alright, that's it, I'm destroy the school.
Alright, you freaking class.
Oh my god, it's the explosion. Breaking news okay, someone made a big explosion at the school, and it destroyed by a kid named Leland. Police are investigating this now. Oh, he's in biggest bleep trouble. I hope he gets arrested. I'm grounding him right now. Leland, get your bleep over here. What did you want, Daddy? You an idiot. Leland, I cannot believe that you destroy school. That's it, you will get arrested for this. You will be grounded and getting killed.